guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Okay, so y'all, thank you so much for your patience. There's been a lot going on, as usual. If you guys remember me telling you, I had just celebrated my birthday this week, or when you see this, it'll be last week. So anyway, I kind of got busy with that and all the celebrations and everything, and I didn't have time to do the Juicy Couture unboxing. So that is what we're going to do today, finally. So like I said before, I have been having a very hard time finding a lot of the Juicy Couture things. I don't know what it was. I had to drive like an hour near where my job is to two other Ross stores to find a couple of things. So because they were like all sold out near my house. So I got just a very few things, but I wanted to kind of show you guys. And two of the items, well, it's one item, but I got two of them because I hadn't seen anybody that I can remember with this color packaging. I keep seeing everyone else's have like a baby pink packaging, and I have fuchsia, which is perfect because it matches my room. So the first things that I got, which I've already opened one because I was cleaning my room, are these Juicy Couture sanitizing wipes. So like I said, these are fuchsia pink. They're like a hot pink, and I haven't seen anybody else with them that I can remember. And these were just $5.99, and they had a good amount. They had a good amount left, so I actually may go back and get a couple more. Just, you know, they're good, especially with COVID still going around, just to kind of clean everything. I'll probably keep these two in my room and then keep a pack in my car. So yeah, I've got those. And I also, Easter is a couple of days away, so I found this little cute strawberries and cream little bunny. This is the Russell Stovers. So yeah, it's just this huge little pink bunny. It's so cute. So yeah, y'all know I don't like milk chocolate, so this is perfect. So I have that little bunny, and this was $2.99. And okay, so now for all the accessories. I also went into y'all know the Juicy Couture has a line at Forever 21, and I just went to the mall for my birthday while I was birthday shopping, and y'all, I wasn't really impressed with it. I wasn't. Let me know, comment down below if you guys got some things, like how you felt about the line. I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. Maybe there was one little top. I think it was a white top, and it said I think it said Juicy Nation or something, and then on the back it had the whole Juicy Couture emblem with the crown and everything, but that wasn't in my size. I think all they had was like a small and an extra small. So I may go back, or either I may just go online and see if, you know, they have one in my size. But other than that, I wasn't really impressed with it. I did get a set of little Juicy Couture like little hair clips. They only had one left, so I picked that up. That will actually be in my what I bought for my birthday haul. I just got all that together, so that won't be in this haul, but you'll see it in an upcoming haul. But that's really all that I got. So anyway, yeah, definitely comment down below, let me know how you felt about the line, if you were excited or if you got some things, ooh, and if you didn't, I don't know. Anyway, the accessories that I got from Ross, this bracelet, was $8.99. And this, y'all know I love charm bracelets. This is what this one looks like. Let me turn this light down a little bit. There we go. So you can see it. I hope y'all don't hear that wind howl. But yeah, this is just a little charm bracelet here. And it just has the Juicy Couture crown. It just says Juicy Couture here. And then Juicy here. So I got that one. And like I said, this one was $8.99. And then I also got this one, which is so pretty. This one is another charm bracelet. And this one I also paid $8.99 for. And it just has this little juicy charm here hanging down. This little pinkish purplish heart. And then a couple of little emblems. It's got the little crown there. And this is an adjustable one. I really like these little dainty bracelets too. So that is adjustable there. So that'll be super cute. And then I got another charm bracelet. I love charm bracelets. I really do. And this one was also $8.99. And y'all, this thing is heavy. I feel like you can knock somebody over the head with it. This little charm here is so heavy. But yeah, it's just like a regular chain here. And then it's just got the Juicy Couture heart there. And then it just attaches this way. And the last item that I got is this Juicy Couture necklace. And let me try to fix this. There we go. This necklace was $9.99. And I thought it was so super cute. So this, of course, has like little pink bling on there. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Has little just pink little diamonds all over it with a crown. And this necklace is actually pretty long. I haven't tried it on, but it's actually pretty long and it's adjustable here. So, and I thought that this would be so, oh, I didn't realize it has another little charm on the back of it. There, it just says Juicy. Does it say Juicy? No, I'm sorry. It just has it on this side. It just has the tiara and it says Juicy Couture on the back side of it. There we go. So it's got three different little charms that look like that. And I thought that this would be really cute. Maybe to put those two together or these two together. Really any of the bracelets can kind of go with it. It should be fine. I did see some super tiny little Juicy Couture earrings as well, but they only had one. But when I went to another Ross, they had several. So I think I was gonna just kind of think about it because I didn't know if you could really see my earrings with all my hair. Y'all know I wear a lot of extensions. So I didn't pick those up because I just figured maybe you couldn't really see them. But they do have those if you ever are, if you ever find some at your local Ross. They do have some earrings to match, like this whole set. So anyway, that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being patient. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I can't wait to wear my little goodies. And then, like I said, I've got some Juicy Couture hair bows, some little, they're not hair bows, like little barrettes, I guess. That's got a little bling in them. So I picked those up when I went to Forever 21. So yeah, I'll show those in an upcoming haul, but those will be a lot of fun to wear with this little set. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, bye.